Thank you for joining us today to learn how to connect sensors to the WaveCatcher site survey tool. Herzan offers a variety of sensors for the WaveCatcher, with options to use custom sensors for unique applications. The following video highlights how to correctly connect and set up the standard sensors available for the WaveCatcher. For vibration measurements, there are two sensor options available. The VA3, which is a 3-axis vibration sensor measuring all 3 axes over a broad frequency range, and the PCB vibration sensor, a single-axis vibration sensor designed to measure very low frequencies with a high level of accuracy. For acoustic measurements, there is one sensor option available, the PCB acoustic microphone, which is designed to measure sound pressure levels over a broad frequency range. For EMI measurements, there is one sensor option available, the MAG649, which is a 3-axis EMI sensor capable of measuring both AC and DC fields with a high level of accuracy. Before connecting the sensors to the WaveCatcher hardware, make sure the following is complete. First, the WaveCatcher hardware is connected, which is covered in the following video. And second, power supplies for the sensors, notebook computer, and WaveCatcher analog to digital converter are fully charged. All standard sensors connect to the WaveCatcher's ADC, however, each sensor does so in a different way. We will review how each sensor connects to the WaveCatcher ADC. When connecting the VA3 to the WaveCatcher's ADC, disconnect the ADC's custom sensor cable and connect the VA3 sensor directly to the ADC's D-sub input. This concludes the VA3 sensor connection to the WaveCatcher. When performing measurements with the VA3, it is important the sensor is placed on a rigid, flat surface with the sensor logo facing upwards. When connecting the PCB vibration sensor, connect the sensor connection cable to the top of the sensor, then connect the sensor connection cable to the ADD converter by inserting the BNC output of the sensor connection cable to the BNC input of the ADD converter's custom sensor cable using input 1. Please note, BNC adapters will be required to make this connection. The PCB vibration sensor connection to the WaveCatcher is now complete. There are 3 important things to remember when performing measurements with the PCB vibration sensor. First, use input 1 in the WaveCatcher software when performing measurements. Second, ensure the sensor is placed on a rigid and flat surface. And third, the PCB vibration sensor is a single-axis sensor, measuring in the vertical direction when placed on its base. Use the provided V-block to measure in the 2 horizontal directions. When connecting the PCB acoustic microphone, connect the acoustic microphone directly to the BNC input of the ADC's custom sensor cable, connecting to input 1. This concludes how to connect the PCB acoustic microphone to the WaveCatcher site survey tool. When performing measurements with the PCB acoustic microphone, use input 1 in the WaveCatcher software when performing measurements. When connecting the MAG649 triple-axis EMI sensor, connect the MAG649 sensor to its power supply by using the provided sensor connection cable. Then, power on the MAG649 power supply to provide power to the MAG649 sensor. Finally, connect the 3 BNC cables of the ADC's custom sensor cable to the BNC connectors of the MAG649 power supply. The triple-axis EMI sensor connection to the WaveCatcher is complete. When performing a DC measurement, have the balanced, unbalanced button on the MAG649 power supply pressed outwards, and the DC-AC coupling button pressed outwards as well. When performing an AC measurement, have the balanced, unbalanced button on the MAG649 power supply pressed outwards, and the DC-AC coupling button pressed inwards. Please note, the MAG649 power supply should be fully charged and disconnected from power when performing a measurement. If you have a sensor not mentioned in this video, consult with a Herzan representative regarding the connection and operation of the sensor. This concludes the tutorial on how to correctly connect sensors to the WaveCatcher hardware. For more information, please contact us at any time, visit us at herzan.com, or connect with us on social media. Thank you for your time.